Hello students, welcome to RJ Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video I am going to give information regarding very important multiple choice questions for entrance exam of MPH, that is Master of Public Health. This video is very useful for various universities and institutes. Master of Public Health entrance exam like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Bhubaneswar, AIIMS Raipur, Common University Entrance Test, CUET PG, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, JNU Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, Pune University, ICMR, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health entrance exam, and students who are preparing for MPH entrance exam. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important question PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. So here first question is definition of health given by WHO. World Health Organization includes which of the following dimensions? Option A social, option B physical, option C mental, option D emotional, option E economic. So correct options are A, B, C and E. Social, physical, mental and economic. Definition of health given by WHO includes social, physical, mental and economic dimensions. Its explanation is WHO World Health Organization 1948 definition of health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of disease or infirmity, recently amplified to include and an ability to lead a socially and economically productive life, is an idealistic goal rather than a realistic proposition. It does not regard health as a dynamic concept but as a state. Next question is standard of living. WHO World Health Organization includes all except option A income, option B sanitation and nutrition, option C level of provision of health, option D human rights. Correct answer is option D human rights. Standard of living. WHO World Health Organization includes all except, so correct answer is human rights. So standard of living World Health Organization includes income, sanitation and nutrition, level of provision of health. These three options are correct. And standard of living WHO does not include human rights. Its explanation is standard of living refers to the usual scale of our expenditure, goods we consume and services we enjoy. Standard of living World Health Organization includes income and occupation, standards of housing, sanitation and nutrition, level of provision of health, educational, recreational and other services. Standard of living depends on per capita GNP. Next question is human living standards can be compared in different countries by option A HDI, option B PQLI, option C HPI, option D DLY. Correct answer is HDI. Human living standard can be compared in different countries by HDI. So by Human Development Index, that is HDI, human living standard can be compared in different countries. Next question is Ottawa Charter of Health Promotion incorporates all of the following key action areas except option A build healthy public policy, option B strengthen community action for health, option C build social security system, option D reorient health services. Correct answer is option C build social security system. Ottawa Charter of Health Promotion incorporates all of the following key action areas except build social security system. So Ottawa Charter of Health Promotion incorporates these key actions, that is build healthy public policy, strengthen community action for health, reorient health services. And Ottawa Charter of Health Promotion incorporates does not incorporate build social security system. Its explanation is Ottawa Charter for Health Promotion, 5 key action areas: public health policy, strengthen community action for health, reorientation of health services, personal skills development, supportive environment for health, and basic strategies: advocate, enable, mediate, health promotion logo, circle with 3 wings, incorporate 5 key action areas, incorporate 3 basic strategies. Next question is, biomedical concept of health is based on: option A, germ theory of disease; option B, absence of pain; option C, social and psychological factors; option D, equilibrium between man and environment. Correct answer is option A, germ theory of disease. Biomedical concept of health is based on germ theory of disease. Its explanation is: biomedical concept of health, healthy is being free from disease, based on germ theory of disease. Limitation of concept: minimal role of environmental, social, psychological and cultural determinants of health. Next question is, all are true of positive health in today's world except: option A, dependent on social, economic and culture; option B, mirage because of changing environment; option C, body and mind at peace; option D, changing behavior with respect to change in future. Correct answer is option D, changing behavior with respect to change in future. All are true of positive health in today's world except changing behavior with respect to change in future. So the options that are true for positive health in today's world are: dependent on social, economic and culture; mirage because of changing environment; body and mind at peace. Its explanation is: concept of positive health, perfect functioning of health and mind, conceptualize health biologically, psychologically and socially, depends on economic, social and cultural factors. Positive health remains a mirage due to constant change. Next question is, Human Development Index HDI does not include: option A, mean years of schooling; option B, life expectancy at age 1; option C, real GDP per capita; option D, adult literacy rate. Correct answer is life expectancy at age 1. Option B is correct. Human Development Index HDI does not include life expectancy at age 1, and Human Development Index HDI include mean year of schooling, real GDP per capita, adult literacy rate. Next question is, the physical quality of the life index considers: first, expectancy of life at birth; second, expectancy of life at age 1; third, infant mortality rate; fourth, literacy rate. Of these components, option A, first alone is correct; option B, first, third and fourth are correct; option C, first, second and third are correct; option D, second, third and fourth are correct. Correct answer is second, third and fourth are correct. So second, expectancy at life at age 1; third, infant mortality rate; fourth, literacy rate. These options are correct. The physical quality of the life index considers: so second, third and fourth, that is expectancy at life at age 1, infant mortality rate, literacy rate. So the physical quality of the life index considers expectancy of life at age 1, infant mortality rate, literacy rate, and the physical quality of the life index does not consider expectancy of life at birth. Next question is, minimum and maximum values established for calculation of life expectancy index in HDI are: minimum and maximum values established for calculation of life expectancy index in HDI, that is Human Development Index, are: option A, 0 years and 65 years; option B, 0 years and 85 years; option C, 25 years and 85 years; option D, 0 years and 100 years; Option E, none. Correct answer is option E, none. Minimum and maximum values established for calculation of life expectancy index in HDI are none. So correct answer is none. Next question is Human Development Index HDI values range between Human Development Index HDI values range between option A -1 to +1, option B 0 to 1, option C 0 to 3, option D 1 to 3. Correct answer is option B 0 to 1. Human Development Index HDI values range between, correct answer is option B, that is 0 to 1. So in this video important multiple choice questions are given for the entrance exam of various university and institutes, Master of Public Health like AIMS, CUET PG, PGI-MER, TISS, JIPMER, IIPH, NIMHANS, JNU, Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, ICMR, and for all other university and institute which conducts Master of Public Health MPH entrance exam, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH entrance exam, and if they want online or offline coaching and want important question PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information regarding important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.